Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to analyze PropsTecho website, and I'll also explain PropsTecho is a scam or legit. So let's take a look. This is the homepage of this website, and here you'll see some featured items like decor items, front door sign, wedding bags for bridal party, and floral mug, coffee mug, ring security, wooden ring barrier badge. So the collection is really very beautiful and the prices are affordable. So basically PropsTecho is offering various geometric greenery, boho guest books, mugs, total bags, etc. So let's take a look at the menu first. So in the menu option you will find the product categories like themes. If you search and click this option, then you'll find the particular products variations. And let's get back. So same as you'll find reception guest books, various gifts like tote bags, pillowcases, mugs, tea towels, etc. Now let's take a look at the shipping policy. So this is the shipping policy of this website, and you'll receive your order within 5 to 7 days. And let's take a look at the returns policy. So this company accepts unworn, unwashed, damage-free items within 14 days from delivery date. And here you can read the return process. Guys, you can see here is the address available on this website in this section as well. The contact number is also available and email is also available, which is support@propstecho.com. So here you can also see the contact us information, but I want to tell you that this address is not legit. If you search this address on internet, then you'll get a building. There is no official building available on this address. So I think this is not a legit website. And apart from that, if you search any product here, like if you search mugs, then there is no product that matches the search criteria. So it shows that this website is a scam. So guys, I don't want to recommend this website for online purchasing, and there is no payment information available on the website. You can read the privacy policy if you want, but this website is a scam. So apart from that, I also want to tell you some important things that you should consider while making an online purchase. Like, you need to check the website URL, the website authentic contact us information, and you need to cross check the address and contact information. And guys, the website reviews is also not available on this website, so which shows that PropsTecho is a scam. So I think I have done with the information. If you like the video, then you can hit the like button, and apart from that, you can also share your good experiences and bad experiences with the company in the comment section. It will help customers to know about this website. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.